Here is a SMC Royal Flush Hugger model U42 that I got from Donald Root last Fanimation trip. This fan was sold at Menards because they did have the box and he got it new in box at the time. Well, when he got it anyway. But anyway, I installed it on that second box I put in here. And it's been pretty much running ever since I put it up, and it's been up probably a month and a half, 2 months now. But yeah. And I just put the light kit on it 2 nights ago, so looks really good with the lights on it. And here's the lights on. I'm using amber shades on them because they look good with the amber shades. Okay, we'll start off on low. Now, when it was off, that was probably the first time it's been off in about a week. No, I take that back. It was off when I was wiring it up with the light kit. Prior to that, it's been about a week or 2. Okay, and we'll go to medium. And we'll go to high. It has no wobble, and it doesn't even shake. Probably one of the best fans I've had installed in here. And I'll go to off. Put the light on. The only downfall is it only lights half the room up. That's why I got that one right there, but I want to swap that one out with a different fan at some point soon. You look closely, you can see that there's a good amount of dust on it so far. Not thick, but it's getting there. Focus. Okay. Well, that's it, and until next time.